So it's been a few weeks and people are asking me, where's video number 3? Where's video number 4? Why haven't you started this yet? What's going on with the truck? Well, I haven't started yet. I had to gather up equipment, like I said in the last video. I had to order some stuff up for him. I don't have all this stuff just magically falling out of the sky. And actually ordered him some brand new door panels, brand spanking new. No one's ever touched them. They should be here maybe today. In the meantime, I got an excess power battery over there, a D3400. Got my Incriminator audio amps. Of course, I'm gonna use some of this MechMan 1/0 OFC cable. I really just need to get a head unit, and once I do that, I'm ready to start. I can actually start right now. I can put the battery in and start getting the wiring situated. I think that's what I'll do. Same thing as most installs. I start at the front, work my way to the back, have all the wiring ready to go, hook up the amp rack, hook up the sub box, be done with it. All right, so here's what my schedule is looking like. I'm getting ready to fly out to Albuquerque to go pick up my Escalade. We're gonna do some dyno videos, see what it's really made out of with all those forged parts. And then that thing, the parts that I need to get this build started should be here. But I think just so we can get this thing rolling, I should probably get up underneath the hood and start cutting wires and making some sense out of everything. It's still bad underneath there. I don't know about all this. We'll fix it up though. We'll make it badass. So here's the original wire for the sound system. That's already been disconnected. It's over here. That's gonna get pulled out. We got some other wires. Oh yeah, this is the Romex cable. I cut that off. We've got what appears to be an alternator wire. We'll give him a brand new one of those. The starter wire, I'll just cut it and clean it up because that goes deep down in there. I'm not playing with that. Make this all look ideal and clean. All right, so now I'm not just gonna use the factory ground. I'm gonna give them a brand new frame ground. And I found a spot right down there. I can pop that bolt off. Good to go. Nice. There should be plenty of ground right here. Now that right there is a ground. Look at that, a real hold down, Rob. Look what we got in the mail. We got a little something from Cover Lane. What is this? Wow, these things are gorgeous. Never thought I'd be so happy to see some 92 door panels. Oh, it looks like just a door panel to you, and it looks like a door panel to me. But if you watch the other videos, you know what this is replacing. Got the carbon fiber wrap. Got the hole for the bi-9. All right, now you know me. I wasn't about to put this system back together with those raggedy ass door panels in there. Oh, brand new. All right, so I got that phase of the project over with. Now it's time to move inside the cabin. Let me break down exactly what I've done so far so you know that I'm not just sitting around doing nothing. Brand new excess power battery. We got an SMD grounding distribution block and a fuse holder. Those fuses will go in as soon as this thing's ready to power up. We got a real battery hold down for them. We got some MechMan 1/aught cable. Ran straight to the alternator. Little heat shield right there in the hot areas. We got the positive ready to go. We got the negative ready to go. We got a frame ground in the front, a frame ground in the back as you saw. And of course we can't forget the new door panels from Coverlay. Look at those bad boys. I ran them an extra little 8 gauge. I'll tie that up in there so we can hook up some other little accessories later. And of course I got a whole bunch of goodies on the table that's about ready to go in that truck. Let's open it up. Just had a box show up a few minutes ago and I suspect it's his new Alpine. Bought it at Sonic Electronics. No complaints from Sonic Electronics. I ordered it second day and it showed up second day. I'm not even so sure that I paid for second day shipping. So good deal. Well, let's open these boxes up real quick. Let's see what these goodies look like. So anybody that thinks this project is taking too long, hey, I'm ordering stuff with my own money. It's showing up and I can only put it in when it gets here. So check this out. Rob's getting himself a new Alpine. Woohoo! Bluetooth, CD, everything. Look at that. Check it out. In here from Incriminator Audio. Of course, I'll show you guys up close and personal on these things a little later when I get ready to do the amp rack. IA 3.4 for the mids and highs. We got some B2 audio components. Oh, look at those things, beautiful. Crossovers. All right, here's all the new equipment ready to go. I'm waiting on some Q-form kick pods for these things right here, these mids and highs. They'll be here in a couple of days. I'm gonna hook up this deck, get everything going. Trying to decide what I'm gonna do about the box. Stay tuned, it should get more interesting real fast. At least for me.